Have you ever noticed that when you search on Google, you see different results than what someone else sees? Same word, same phone, but completely different results. I tried changing just one setting in my Google account, and what happened made me realize that Google isn't showing you the real internet. It's showing you the version it thinks fits you. This setting is enabled by default for most people, and let me show you exactly what it does, when it can be useful, and when it might be better to turn it off. From your phone settings, Google. Tap on your profile picture or Google account. Manage your Google account. Data and privacy. Scroll down and you'll find a setting enabled by default on most phones called Search Personalization. And this is the setting we're talking about today. Before you turn it off or leave it on, let's understand together what this setting actually does. Simply put, Google uses your past searches and activity to change how search results appear specifically for you. So if you search for phones a lot, Google will start showing results closer to your interests, even if they're not necessarily the best result overall. This setting is connected to web and app activity because this is the data Google relies on. Every search, every video, and everything you open through Google services gets saved to improve personalization. So the more activity there is, the more the results become tailored to you. Notice that the previous video was about web and app activity, and I left the decision to you whether to turn it off or keep it on. And honestly, this video supports what I mentioned in the previous one. Let's be realistic. This setting is not made for spying. It's designed to make it faster to reach what you're looking for and to make suggestions smarter. That's why many people leave it on and are perfectly fine with it. But the downside most people don't notice is that over time, Google puts you inside a bubble. It shows you things it expects you to like and reduces the appearance of different perspectives or alternative results. That means two people can search the exact same word and see completely different versions of the internet. And again, I'll leave the decision to you because you have full control. If you care more about privacy and want more neutral general results, turn it off. If you want a faster experience with suggestions tailored to you, leave it on. The important thing is to understand what it actually does. Personally, I will turn it off, just like I turned off web and app activity in the previous video, because for me, privacy is the most important thing. In the end, now you know why search results can be different from one person to another. Tell me in the comments, did you turn it off or leave it on? Do you prefer Google to personalize results for you or to see results naturally without personalization? And if this video showed you something new, don't forget to like and subscribe, because in the next video, I'll show you another setting that's enabled by default and completely changes how you use your phone, and most people don't even know it exists.